Hello everyone, this is 𝗏𝗶, the Minister of Badness. I'm a rapper / producer, and I've been doing this for almost 15 years. My friend Robert from Home Studio Simplified asked me kindly to show you how I mix my vocals to a mastered beat, which is also known as 2-track record. So basically you get a mastered beat and then you record your vocals on top of it and mix it as if it was a full stemmed beat. So I'll show you how I mixed my single, 𝗂𝗂, which has been released, I think, last year. And I'll show you first how it sounds now, after it got mixed, and then I'll show you how I recorded it. So, let's have fun.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, To knock a holes in the middle of all, Cause you don't know who you're fighting for, Don't wanna end up in another hole, stop annoying me.
Okay, so this is how it sounds. And now, let me just remove all the effects so you could hear how it sounds.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, To knock a holes in the middle of all, Cause you don't know who you're fighting for, Don't wanna end up in another hole, stop annoying me.
So, as you can hear, there's a lot of noise, there's a lot of low end, and it's building up, especially if I unsolo these. But I won't do it now, I'll just get right to it. So let me open up this. So, the first thing I did, let me just close them so you can see them gradually. So the first thing I can hear, well, I heard back then, is that there's a lot of noise because I recorded it in my bedroom. So you can do it manually using a noise reduction plugin, or if you have something like Adobe Audition or Audacity where they have a built-in noise reducer. I'm using Cakewalk and it doesn't have that feature. So I'm using NS1 by Waves, which is a noise suppressor. So let's listen.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, To knock a holes in the middle of all,
So yeah, this is what I call, well, basically lazy cleanup, because it's a trap song. You don't have to really focus on a lot of dynamics or anything. You can also use a gate if you're into that. The second thing, very important to a trap song, is autotune. Now I could basically have used Antares autotune or anything else. For example, I have Crispy Tuner and I have 𝗏𝗏. I use 𝗏𝗏 because it has a really fast tuning algorithm, I guess. Yeah, here, I'll show you. It's a free plugin, by the way. You can buy it for like, I think $30, so you can get all the controls here. But the actual tuning and the presets are all free. So I know mine is A# minor. So this is how it sounds.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, To knock a holes in the middle of all, Cause you don't know who you're fighting for,
So yeah, this is literally the preset. I just chose the preset and that's it. I didn't play with any parameters or anything. I just kept it as it is. Let's, for example, just for fun, I'll put Autotune Pro. And I'll put A# and I'll put a minor. Let me just close 𝗏𝗏. Let's hear the difference.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, To knock a holes in the middle of all, Cause you don't know who you're.
Yeah, you see, it's kind of like bending it a lot. But 𝗏𝗏 does it so fast that you can't really hear the switching, the switch up from one note to another.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, To knock a holes in the middle of all,
So I usually EQ before I compress, so I roll off some of the low end.
Stop annoying me.
Difference.
Kill them all with such a force, To knock a holes in the middle of all,
So I can solo out the frequencies. This is what I'm cutting.
Yeah.
You see, it's a lot of low end. Because whenever I sing, I get close to the microphone, and that kind of builds up the low end. I took some of the low mids. I don't like this frequency. I chose to do all of my EQing here, especially boosting the high end and taking some of the sibilances, and I did it as a dynamic EQ.
Stop annoying me. Kill 'em all with such a force, yeah.
Here I did compression, an RVOG minus 18%, and gain reduction 2 dBs. I didn't use the gate. The gate is very nice and musical, but I didn't use it because I'm using the NS1. So this is how it sounds now.
Stop annoying me. Kill 'em all with such a force, yeah. To knock a holes in the middle wall, yeah.
So you see, it's coming together. It's now like it's present, it's up front. Now, even when I cut some of the sibilances here, solo it.
Kill 'em. Yeah, to knock a holes in the middle wall, yeah. Stop annoying me. Kill 'em all with such a force, yeah.
So yeah, I took some of the sibilances, but even though the boost itself will bring up some of the S's and the sh sounds and the F sounds, so I used the de-esser.
Stop annoying me. Kill 'em all with such a force, yeah. To knock a holes in the middle wall, yeah.
What I like about this de-esser is that you can put it to minus infinity or negative infinity, and it won't do a difference. This is the threshold, so you can put it here.
Stop annoying me.
But I use it to negative infinity, and this is the range. This is how much you want to take out from the S's. Here.
Stop annoying me. Kill 'em all with such a force, yeah.
If I remove it,
stop annoying me. Kill 'em all with such a force.
It has some of the spank on the S's. Stop annoying me, you know? So with the de-esser, it kind of takes it down a bit, compresses it, makes it a bit more presentable. So if you want to hear what is EQing, here. So you see, I like the DS, the Pro DS, because it catches the S's. Of course, Waves has sibilance, which is similar to FabFilter Pro DS, but I really like this. It's very light on the CPU. So I mentioned before that I did this trick where I boosted and cut on the same EQ because I knew I was going to boost more high-end using this plugin from Slate Digital, Fresh Air. It's a free plugin, and it's amazing. I love it. It just, for rap vocals, it just gives that shine, that sheen to the vocals. So here's how it sounds now.
Stop annoying me.
Without it?
Kill 'em all with such a force, yeah.
With it?
Yeah. To knock a holes in the middle wall, yeah.
So you see, of course, it all depends on the track. You have to, I don't mix solo, and you have to always listen to the whole mix. So this is the dry mixed vocals, no time-based effect.
Stop annoying me. Kill 'em all with such a force, yeah. To knock a holes in the middle wall, yeah. Cause you don't know who you're fighting for, yeah. Don't wanna end up in another hole, stop annoying me.
So it sounds present, it sounds mixed, but trap songs rely on vibe. And the way you create the vibe is by time-based effects like delay and reverb. So I used these two. Let me show you the reverb first. I used the SSL reverb. and it's amazing. I love the sound. It's just, let me remove the delay, show you how it sounds with the reverb.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, yeah, yeah, yeah. To knock a holes in the middle of all, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, it sounds amazing. I love it. With this one, what I love, it has its own SSL EQ inside. It's just for the delay itself. So what I did basically is just, I think I chose a plate and a large plate. And then I just messed with the parameters, the reverb time, the size, some of the diffusion. And then I took off a lot of the low end and the mids and all of the high end, and I just basically kept this mid section. Let me remove the EQ, and it sounds like this. I'm sorry for the clicking. It's really heavy on CPU, so I'll just close it for now. You can hear it. So it's very muddy. So I had to do all these EQ moves to remove that.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, yeah, yeah.
The second thing I did was I used what is called a sidechain compression. And what I did is that I tucked down the reverb, and I also did it with the delay, whenever I sing. So whenever I sing, it tucked down the reverb until I stop singing. And this also depends on the attack and the release. I have more release in the attack. It's the faster attack. So you'll hear it now.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force, yeah, yeah, yeah. To knock a holes.
With the delay, what I did is I used the Valhalla delay. I think I kept it as it is, but changed some of the parameters like the feedback and the width and stuff. It has its own kind of EQ here. I took some of the low end and some of the high end, and it sounds like this on its own.
Stop annoying me. Kill them all with such a force.
You see it cutting because, I'll show you, whenever I stop singing like yeah, yeah, I cut the delay because I wanted my own ad-libs to cut through. See, I recorded ad-libs like left and right. Yeah, yeah. So here.
Kill them all with such a force. Yeah, yeah. The knuckle.
Cuts here.
Kill them all with such a force. Yeah, yeah. The knuckle holes in the middle of all. Yeah, yeah. Cause you don't know who you.
It's basically just a delay with everything.
Kill them all with such a force, yeah, 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 yeah. The knuckle holes in the middle of all, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is just to create the vibe. You don't have to do this. You can also put a delay, cut it out, and just pull it up or automate it whenever you stop singing, instead of having a sidechain compression, because sometimes the compression just cuts it off immediately. It also depends on the attack and the release, but sometimes doing it manually is better. But yeah, it worked for me like this, and yeah, this is how it sounds.
Kill them all with such a force, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I hope you liked this video. You can listen to 𝗂𝗂 on Spotify or YouTube. I hope this was helpful, and maybe I'll see you sometime in the future. Bye bye.